The Mascara Festival in Hiligaynon is called Pistasang Maskara. In Filipino or Tagalog, it's Fiesta ng Maskara. It is a festival held each year in Bacolod, Philippines, every third weekend of October, nearest October 19, the city's charter inauguration anniversary. The word mascara is a portmanteau coined by the late artist Eli Santiago from mas, a multitude of people, and the Spanish word cara, or face, thus forming mascara, a multitude of faces. The word is also a pun on mascara, or Filipino for mask, since a prominent feature of the festival are the masks worn by participants, which are always adorned with smiling faces. The festival first began in 1980 during a period of crisis. The province relied on sugarcane as its primary agricultural crop, and the price of sugar was at an all-time low due to the introduction of sugar substitutes like high fructose or corn syrup in the United States. It was also a time of tragedy. On April 22 of that year, the inter-island vessel Don Juan, carrying many negrenses, including those belonging to prominent families in Bacolod City, collided with the tanker Tacloban City and sank. An estimated 700 lives were lost in the tragedy. In the midst of these tragic events, the city's artists, local government, and civic groups decided to hold a festival of smiles because the city at that time was also known as the City of Smiles. They reasoned that a festival was also a good opportunity to pull the residents out of the pervasive, gloomy atmosphere. The initial festival was therefore a declaration by the people of the city that no matter how tough and bad the times were, Bacolod City is going to pull through, survive, and in the end, triumph.
Minsan ay natuwa with other, the world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,100 seconds. I was trying to see pieces of